Organizational process assets are essential elements for any project. They are the plans, processes, policies, procedures, and knowledge bases specific to and used by the performing organization. Think of them as the accumulated knowledge and best practices that an organization has gathered over time. They provide structure and guidance, ensuring consistency and efficiency across projects. These assets are internal to the organization and can be updated by projects throughout their life cycle. This is a key distinction from enterprise environmental factors, which are generally external or internal conditions, not under the project team's immediate control. Organizational process assets are often seen as the organization's intellectual property, refined and improved with each completed project. Organizational process assets fall into two primary categories. The first category includes processes, policies, and procedures. These are formal or informal guidelines that dictate how work is performed within the organization. Examples include the organization's standard methodologies, templates for documents like a work breakdown structure or a risk register, and predefined forms for change requests or issue logs. This category also encompasses the organization's established change control procedures, which govern how modifications to project baselines are managed. Quality control procedures, financial control procedures, and human resource management policies are further examples. These structured guidelines ensure that projects align with organizational standards and regulatory requirements, promoting a consistent approach to project delivery. The second category of organizational process assets comprises the organization's knowledge bases. These are repositories of information accumulated from past projects and ongoing operations. A crucial example is the Lessons Learned repository, which stores insights about what went well, what could be improved, and why certain outcomes occurred on previous projects. This historical information is invaluable. Other examples of knowledge bases include configuration management databases, which track versions of project deliverables, and financial databases, containing historical cost data. Issue and defect management databases, along with data from previous projects, also form part of this category. Accessing this wealth of information helps project managers avoid past mistakes and leverage successful strategies. For a certified associate in project management, understanding organizational process assets is vital because they are inputs to many project management processes. They provide the foundational framework and historical context necessary for effective planning and execution. Utilizing existing templates, procedures, and lessons learned significantly streamlines project work and reduces the effort required to create new processes from scratch. In summary, organizational process assets are the organizational resources that provide structure, guidance, and historical data to projects. Unlike enterprise environmental factors, which are conditions influencing the project, organizational process assets are internal and can be actively used and updated by the project team. By leveraging these assets, project managers can enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and increase the likelihood of project success.